describe the coolest bird aviary, indoor aviary that we've ever seen. Go ahead, describe it.
It's big.
Say, here it is.
Oh, okay, here it is. That's awesome. There's a bird.
Yes, it's very cool. Oop.
They could just pull out the, I don't know what that is right there. Pull out the nesty stuff.
Yeah, if you ever wanted just to watch the birds, bird watching, you'd have your own. They're kind of scared by us, I think.
Yeah, I think they're kind of freaked.
They should be used to it.
I know. People can sit right here. Ah!
Okay, let's go. That's pretty neat. I like that. Yeah, that would be a cool thing to have. Normally I don't like birds inside, but some